Hope is the thing with feathers, that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words, and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I've heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me.
You poor thing.
Yeah,
You must be heartbroken.
I haven't had time to process it yet. It hasn't really hit me.
We'll be having tea at Aunt Robin's.
I have a plane to catch.
You have to come to Aunt Robin's. You have to come.
I heard the thunder years ago, almighty Zeus a dead, I oh, his wolves come down on broken men to wake.
What's this one?
Here Comes the Sun, the Beatles.
Easy.
Daydreamin', Ariana Grande.
Nice. Whoops.
23 Ghosts, 3 9-inch nails. The bridge! Let's go to the bridge!
Going to the bridge.
Let's go to the bridge!
Not going to the bridge.
herons! I want to see the herons! I want to see the herons!
We're not going to see the herons. We're going to the travel agency so we can get the hell out of here. Okay?
Oh, Ava. I miss him so much. You know, he was just the most handsome, the cutest kid. And if he was here right now, oh my gosh, I'd take him for ice cream. And did you saw that painting that he got me, right? You know, the one that he painted me? It was with the birds. And you know, I was on the boardwalk in Miami, and to think that Claudio, he just came up to me and gave me this envelope. And I remember we were at the beach.
Shut up! You don't know what it was like.
You weren't there, Harper.
I was there. Can't you just take him for a week? Come on. I need to get out of this place. Harper, I had a dream. Harper. Please, just help.
Hi, Auntie Harper. Hi, Auntie Harper. I did a painting for you, Auntie Harper, and it's a lovely painting.
Hi.
It's a wonderful, wonderful painting.
Can you just take him for a week, please?
It's a good
Do this for
painting.
me.
And the gooses
You're here
are my
and you can't hang
favorite
out with your
bird, Auntie
siblings?
Harper. They can fly
Finally in town.
1,500 miles
Come on,
in one
Harper.
day. Auntie
Am I
Harper, they
losing
can
you?
fly
Harper.
1,500 miles in one day,
Harper.
the gooses.
That's enough. Awesome. Please. Let's go.
Jay Knockwood has never not given anybody their ultimate vacation. Knock on wood, right?
Okay, Jay, I need a flight for 2 anywhere in the world. Pick me a flight and I'll go.
I painted an orange painting for my Auntie Harper.
Right on, buddy. Good work. Toronto. You got the CN Tower. You got an aquarium. Medieval times.
I don't want to go to Toronto. There's too much street meat in Toronto. And
London. The Queen. England.
England.
I don't want to go there. It's too far to fly.
Alberta.
I don't want to fly.
If we make the sale right now, I'll drive you to Moncton myself.
I don't want to go on the bridge.
Seriously, Jay, what?
I don't want to go on the bridge.
Moncton? What is there to do in Moncton?
Tragic thing. I think that if we just stick together, there's nothing this family can't do. Tragedies happen all the time, and your brother was a wonderful child. He was...
What kind of name is Jay, anyway?
Jay is a bird's name, Ava, and I think that it's a good name. I painted this for Auntie Harper.
This is all really nice, but I've got to go catch my plane.
Okay, sweetie.
Can I give you a hug?
Yeah, of course.
You're so pregnant.
I know, 2 months to go.
And then name him Oz or something.
Do you miss him?
Is it horrible that I don't? I mean, it's like our family. Something always goes wrong, and it's like we're cursed or something in the bloodline. I don't know. And you're bringing a baby into this world, and you don't know what. Aren't you scared? I mean, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I mean, there's a lot of bad stuff, but there's a lot of good stuff too. Like, Oz saw so many things that I didn't see, and he heard so many things I didn't hear. So as long as my baby gets more happy things than sad things, I'm not scared.
Can I have a second?
Sure.
We made it to the bridge, Ava. Thank you for taking us to the bridge. And there isn't any Karens, so I made you a feather.
Guess what, Oz? I'm a bird! I'm a bird! Love you, Oz! Who sings this one?
No idea.
Beats me.
I don't know.